Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious back again with another video. So for today, we're gonna be doing our one of usual contents here, if you will, unboxing. I'm sorry about the electric fan. I cannot turn it off because one, it's hot, and it's making it hotter because the ring light. And yeah, so I ordered this before my birthday or after my birthday, and while recording this, it's currently 11:49 p.m. I just finished streaming on Twitch, and today is the last day of August. It's August 31st, and today it finally came earlier. So this is like one of my birthday gift for myself. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it and let's see if there's something inside. Did I already mention that this is a smartwatch? If not, well, do know now. So let's see if we didn't get scammed. Hopefully not, because it's not a cheap item, if you will. Also, if you're curious and wants to join us in our Twitch stream, I'm gonna be putting my Twitch link in the description. If you're just curious, I if you are as want to know, or you probably didn't ask, but I am a Twitch affiliate, so I've already done two giveaways. One from the very first one was last July, I believe, and then last one is from my birthday giveaway. So if you're interested to that, give me a follow. Oh, this is like a receipt. I'm not gonna show it all because you might see my address of it. So wait, what? So this is what it came with, like this one. Yeah. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So it was actually recommended by my nephew. Shout out to Joshua, but he told me about the Band 10, I believe, but this one just speaks right to me. So this is the main character. I don't know if I don't think I did. I got the same color as my Redmi Buds 6 Play, I think. I forgot, I cannot keep up. So just gonna be removing this one. And if I tell you that I waited, I think a week or more than a week for this, so it better be worth it. So I'm just gonna be opening. Oh, ito lang. Ay. Right away, straight from the bat. Wala nang patumpik pa. Yun agad. Okay, the manual which we're not gonna be reading, of course. Then what's next pa? Where's the charger? It doesn't come with the charger. I'm trying to pull it up. Oh, no charger. Oh, just kidding. It's here. So what we got inside looks like this. This one, the manual. Sorry about the mess in the background again. It says Xiaomi Smart 9. No, Xiaomi Smart Band 9 user manual. So I'm gonna be looking it up for some information. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Very girly din. Ito siya. Charan! Came with this. And then this is the charger earlier. I thought they didn't give me a charger again. Because I already, from the past few weeks, I think I ordered another model naman. but they didn't give me a charger, so I had to turn it back. So, and it drained so fast. Wow. So this is the satisfying part. I think this is the rose gold color. It kind of matches my outfit. Wait. Let me peel it off carefully. Ito na. So satisfying. Oh my god. Dumikit siya dito. Okay, so how am I gonna turn this on? This is why we need the manual, you guys. Do I need to charge it first? I'm gonna put it in the back. Okay, let's pretend. No, I'm not gonna pretend. I'm gonna... Oh, I need to charge it first. Since I already have the Mi Fitness, it has like a QR code here. And then I'm gonna pair it. Okay, so I think that's it. Wait, let me just show you how it looks like if I'm wearing it. So this is like a quick video for you all, because you might be tired of me seeing wait, how am I gonna... this one first. Wait, how nga? No, it's not like that. Oh, okay. Like that. Okay. Sorry, it's my first day. Okay, so this is like a quick, as I was saying, this is a quick video because most of my recent videos are ML tutorials, because I play ML, if you didn't know. Yeah. Oh, very pretty. Hello? Just kidding. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing of, once again, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next video.